Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making roasted tomato spinach curry. It's a very unique dish. You have never tried it before or never seen it before. For blanching the spinach, add a pinch of salt in a boiling water, add medium bunch of spinach, leave it for 30 seconds and remove it in cold water. So our spinach is blanched. Now grind it to a paste. Now take 2 tomato, make a slit and insert garlic. Insert 2 to 3 garlic in each tomato. After inserting the garlic, roast the tomato in gas. Roast till the tomato skin is burnt. Now let it cool down and remove the skin and grind it to a fine paste. Now take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of refined oil, spread oil all over the pan and add 1.5 teaspoon of sesame seed. Let them crackle and change color. Now add 2 cloves of garlic chopped, cook for a couple of seconds and add half an inch of grated ginger. Cook for further half a minute and then add 3 to 4 red chili and cook for further couple of seconds and add our roasted tomato gravy we have made. Cook for a couple of seconds so all the flavor of sesame seed, ginger and garlic comes into tomato gravy. So add our blanched spinach paste, cook for a couple of seconds. Because everything is cooked, add salt to taste and cook for a couple of more seconds and your roasted tomato spinach curry is ready to eat.